Hello, today we are making a game manager where the enemies are counted in the scene, and then when the enemies all die, the game manager detects when they're all dead and loads the next scene. So let's get on to it. Okay, so starting off at a basic Unity scene setup, I've got some enemies, and when you click on them, they get destroyed and spawns a particle effect. Okay, so I've got a game manager script set up on an empty game object named game manager, so if you could just create a script and then open that up. Okay, so first off, we're going to need a couple variables. The first thing we're going to need is, first go into the enemy script, and the enemy script is a pretty simple script. On mouse down, which detects when you click on the object, I instantiate the particle system, and then I destroy the game object. So that's how I get it to destroy. So now we're going to create a public boolean called isDead. Okay, so next we're going to open the game manager script. Then we are going to create a public list of type enemy, which will be called enemy list. Okay, so next we're going to go to the update function, and we're going to create a for each loop. And once you type in for each, all you have to do is hit tab, and that's a little shortcut for you. But now you're going to replace the word var for type enemy or your enemy script, then name variable enemy or whatever you want. Then it's going to be in instead of collection. We're going to say enemy list. Okay, so next we're going to go inside the for each loop, and we're going to say if enemy, so this is referring to the enemy, the variable that we just created, enemy dot isDead, the variable that we just created, equals true. And then inside that if statement, you're going to type in enemy list dot remove enemy. Okay, now we're going to go to the top of our script, and we're going to say using Unity Engine scene management. Now we're going to say if enemy list.count equals 0, then we're going to type in scene manager, and inside, scene manager dot load scene, and inside the parentheses we're going to say scene manager dot get active scene dot build settings. And then if you want to go to another scene, then you can have +1 or +2 or +3 depending on what scene you want to jump to. Okay, so now you're going to save that script and go into the enemy script or whatever script you're using for your enemy, and you're going to go into the function that you use to kill your enemy or the place that you are killing your enemy, and you're going to use the variable that we used before, that we created before, isDead equals true. And then you can save that, hop into Unity. Okay, now we're going to open the build settings after you have opened Unity, and we are going to drag and drop the scenes that we have in there or that we want to use for the system. So yeah. Okay, so now we're going to click on the game manager, and we're going to lock the inspector on that and go to highlight the characters and then drag them into the enemy list, and boom, you're done. Thank you for watching the end of this video. I hope you have a nice day, and bye.